hope you are doing well. My skin has gotten a lot darker. Let's get ready with me. I'm going to do my makeup and talk to you guys and give you guys a life update. 1 pump of foundation. So lately a lot of things has happened. I made new friends. I'm having a lot of fun hanging out with my friends, trying out new things, going out together, but it can be very overwhelming. I haven't been uploading videos frequently lately, so I want to take a moment that I have free time. I want to sit down, talk to you guys, give you guys a life update, share all the exciting stuff with you guys, and do our makeup together. And we're accompanied by an honorable guest. This is my tutorial. He's a little C from the movie. Do you guys like Studio Ghibli movies? Ghibli. The Japanese word for it is Jiburi. I like to call it Ghibli, but I know some people call it Ghibli, so whichever one you prefer. Do you like their movies? My favorites are Howl's Moving Castle, Spirited Away, and My Neighbor Totoro. I watched them many times. Drawing my eyebrows. This is the eyebrow pencil you guys see me using all my videos lately. It's a grayish brown color, so it matches my hair very well. I shaped my eyebrows to look more straight, and I hope this look suits me well. Have you guys ever run through an eyebrow pencil like completely used it up? I've only finished one. That's because on the end was broken, so I kind of like only used 80% of it, and took me years to finish it until that point. Ever since then, I've never finished an eyebrow pencil, and I do draw my eyebrows every single time I do my makeup, so it's just weird I never finished one. Moving on to eyeshadow, I've been using this palette more frequently lately. This is Birdie from Colourpop. There's some beautiful pinks and purples in it. Use this as a base on my eyelids. So I've made new friends lately, and my family has also gotten quite close with the neighbor family next door. We often eat together, go out, hang out together. Taking this light pink. So on the riverside of where I live, there's right now some festival markets. There's vendors selling everything from snacks to food to little toys to cute little accessories. I bought some hair accessories. I bought some cute little accessories from there, like these cute little hair clips. This is pistachio. Here's a cookie, and here's a piece of meat. You've probably seen me using these in my previous videos, but today I don't need to wear any. For some reason my hair is staying very neat. Other than those vendors, there are some places where you can play little games, like throwing hoops to earn prizes or pop balloons to earn prizes. My favorite is the one where you throw hoops, and one time I earned this medium-sized little creepy looking puppy. He doesn't look very cute, but I won it, so I'm very proud to have him in my room. I love to throw hoops to earn prizes, but it's more difficult than I thought because the hoop is extremely lightweight, so I can't really control where it flies. Another time I also earned this little bear statue. The moment I went there to see the games, I already wanted this one, so I was very happy when I actually got it. Me and my friend won this little pink one and a little yellow bear. The yellow one I actually knocked over with a hoop, and the guy was very nice to say that I can keep it. I thought I did great, and then there were 3 friends beside me who got 2 big ones and a little one, and the bigger ones looked way better. There's like patterns on it, splashes of colors on it. Maybe next time I can do better. Focusing on the eye look, I'm going to take this deeper pink shade now and pat it over my eyelids. So here's what I have in mind. I always have something in mind and then I don't know how it will actually turn out, and I hope for the best. I want to have pink matte eyeshadow as base, and then put purple shimmer along this line, and then have normal light pink shimmer here, then do a black wing or brown wing. Let's blend it out. So I hope you guys are also doing well and living your best life. I'm going to use this beautiful sparkly shade to highlight, putting it right here. And then taking one of my favorite eyeshadow shades ever, this beautiful purple. I want to start in my inner corners and bring it up, but I don't want to put it all over my eyelid. I'm bringing it up like a curve and then let it fade out at the end. That's pretty! Eyeliner? I'm always worried about the winged eyeliner part. I'm always scared that I might screw it up or really dislike the shape, and then this is going to ruin my whole eye look. So let's take a deep breath. Does that look good? Does that look good? Oh my god, yes, that looks good! This one is slightly higher than this one. It's okay, I live with it. Curling my eyelashes for mascara. I really love the colorful look. This is a Clio Q-Lash mascara. This is the only mascara I'm using because this is the only one that works for me. Gently coat the lashes. My eyelashes are short and straight, which is not a good combination, but they look good after mascara. Moving on to face, I'm going to contour and bronze up using the Too Cool for School Artclass by Rodin shading powder. My dad asked me last time, he doesn't understand why do I whiten my face with foundation and then darken it up with the powder again. And I told him it's not my intention to whiten my face, and my skin keeps getting too dark for my foundations. I really need to remind myself to wear sunscreens more often, but I always forget about it, especially when I go out to do sports. Speaking of sports, there's a new basketball court in my area and I've been playing there quite often. Sadly I'm too short, I can't score a 3-pointer. I tried again today but I just couldn't hit even the basket. What kind of sports do you guys like doing? Moving on to blush, I'm using the Flower Nose blushes, a combination of 2. You guys know how much I love their packaging. I'm going to use a light pink color to brighten up the area around my cheeks and under my eyes first, and then going in with a deeper pink. Also guys, now I have a discount code with Flower Nose. You can use code Palina at checkout for 5% off. Going in with a strawberry Rococo blush in the shade Berry Mary, it's such a beautiful pink. And let's continue with story time. 2 days ago, my family and the neighbor family drove to their hometown on the countryside. I know I'm going to see a lot of mountains and trees and the beautiful nature, so I packed my camera with me and I got to take some beautiful shots. They own a farm in the area and we went there, had a feast. There was a party with over 40 people. I ate a lot of food and I met a girl there and we became friends. She was born here in China and when she turned 5, she moved to Canada and has been raised there ever since. She was in Japan for vacation and then she came back to China to visit her family members, and then I was introduced to her and she had a hard time speaking Chinese, so we spoke in English and spoke in Japanese and we had so much in common. It was a lot of fun discussing various topics with her. We talked about animes we like, movies we like, and then we talked about male celebrity crushes and we had a lot in common there. She also showed me her art. This is her Instagram handle if you want to check it out. She works in animation and she is working on a new comic. I also showed her my drawings that really can't compare. I haven't shown you guys before, but I like to draw flowers. This one's my favorite. And here's some carnations. I really love this one too. Let me move on to highlight her. So we was at the farm 2 days ago where I met her and then we talked a lot and had a lot of fun. I ate a lot of food. I also hugged a lot of the people there. They was really friendly. There were some grannies who talked about their stories. I loved listening to them. And then there was a middle-aged lady. She was complimenting my hair that I braided by myself, so I offered to braid her. So I offered to braid her hair as well, and it turned out very nice, so I was very happy. And then after dinner they shot up fireworks. It was really beautiful and there was all the people gathering around, so I had a lot of fun there. I had a wonderful time. The friend I made, her nickname is Cherry, and yesterday she came over to my home and I showed her my room and then we talked even more, and then we was at the neighbor's home, we was eating together again, and we just had so much to talk about. She brought her iPad with her and showed me all her artworks on Procreate, and it looked really cool and amazing and I could never reach that level. She's on the road again visiting her other family members. I hope I get to see her again, and overall, lately I've just been really happy, excited and overwhelmed, but I have had a great time. Moving on to lips, this is a Mermaid lip gloss. It smells like apple juice, it smells delicious. Ta-da! This is the finished look! Wait, for a sweet look like this, we need to use a sweet perfume. This is a Miu Miu, I don't know the name of this perfume, my friend gave Twist, Miu Miu Twist. My friend gifted me this perfume. It's too sweet for my preference, but I like to wear it on some days. It smells so good. This is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and hear me rambling about all this random stuff in my life. I hope you guys had fun, and if you want to recreate this look, definitely tag me so I can see it as well. I hope you have a great day, night, weekend. Take care of yourself, have fun, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye!